Thank you very much, my people. They're very, very happy to see every one of us this evening. Thank you very much. I say make I play that music because it be like say some of us, it be like say when Idris play this music that time, it be like say some of us, some of the youth they sleep that time. They never wake up. They never wake up. They send our heads that they say, why Idris go say Nigeria jaga jaga? Why Idris go say Nigeria jaga jaga? It don't dey obvious now today now. The music now don't they speak for us now because they say them see all these musicians. Most of they be prophets because na wetin dem dey see and wetin dey obvious na dey sing. Person like Fela, all those time when Fela dey sing, they shout on top of him voice. I know say I dey very young that time maybe I no even there the time when they play all those in songs dem. But I still grow come meet some of them wey be saying they sing when they talk. I say he don smoke. This man na sickness dey worry am. He no know wetin he dey talk. Everything wey they talk all those time now e don dey very obvious to every one of us now. They send the poor boy exile. They go send am go Ghana, make go live for many years. That guy today now they supposed to call am, make they apologize to am, make they even settle am for the wonderful job when he do that time. So I just come across this music. I say make I put am, make it dey very obvious to us. Say Nigeria don't even pass jaga jaga. Say if they even get any better name where they go give Nigeria, and I make they give am. So my people, now good evening, happy Sunday to everyone of now. Good morning, good afternoon, depend on where you they watch this program from this evening. Before we go straight to wetin we get this evening, make we quickly say small prayer to every one of us, our leaders dem, IPOB, when they dey for this war front for us. May God continue to dey bless them. Our supreme leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, yesterday we see in picture, day before yesterday we see in picture when we say dey for UK. We see am with the see in picture when dey for with him family. But we dey very happy to see all those kind of picture. We dey very happy to see am healthy, dey alive. I say may God continue to dey strengthen am, may God continue to dey bless am, may God continue to dey give am long life, give am good health when go take us to our destination, our promised land, Biafra. May God bless him beautiful wife, him wonderful children when he get. May God bless am for all. May God guide them, may God protect them, give them good health. May God bless our deputy leader Mazi Ushemefo for the wonderful job wey that man dey do for us. God go bless you very much for us, sir. You no go sick you no go die young you go live to eat the fruit of your labor. As you dey talk every time say this our struggle, say we no go extend am to our children. Say now we go restore this Biafra. Now so you go be it shall be well with you, sir. It shall be well with you. Anything where you dey put hand, it shall be well with you. Favor go locate you anywhere where you dey. Favor go locate you. God go always dey provide for you. Wetin you go eat, wetin you go drink, wetin your family go eat, wetin they go drink. You no go always dey scarce for you. I pray for our able brother, our Africa rep, Mazi George Onyimbe, for the wonderful job wey they do for us. So he come for Agbo dey for Biafra land. God go bless you so much, sir, for the wonderful job wey they do. Operation Python down no go see you. Whatever they call themselves, they be agency of Nigeria. They no go see you. You go join us, restore this our great nation, Biafra. God go bless you, bless your family. God go give you good health. God go give you wetin you go dey chop, wetin you go dey drink. You no go scare away from you. I also pray for our brother Mazi Ike Peters for the wonderful job wey they do. God go bless your children, bless your great grandchildren. God go bless every one of una. Mazi Onioha, God go bless you for the wonderful job wey they do for us. So for the great job all of una they do for us, God go bless una. Mazi Oliozie, God go bless you very much, sir. You dey do very wonderful job for us for your program. Now wetin dey happen, God go bless you very much for us. Mazi Chidera for South Africa, God go bless you very so much for us for the wonderful job wey they do for us every evening wey they broadcast to us to they make us they understand the evil and the bad things wey the zoo government that they plan against us. God go bless you wonderfully for us. God go bless IPOB worldwide for the wonderful job wey they do for us. If you not do now, we don't know where we for there today. Thank you very much. God go bless every one of una for the wonderful job when they do all of una. Where they for good position when they drive this our movement forward in whichever way they support this struggle. God go bless una abundantly. And this one I ask from God Almighty. He say, thank you very much, my people, because as it be like this now, we don't need anybody to call the carry our news again now. We get our maths and we get every miss to they publish our news. So this week, so this very Sunday, so our broadcast, this our program this evening, it go dey a bit different. But now see the same thing we see the two, but it go dey a bit different because we go show some videos. Because sometimes if we dey talk, we know they show these people video, it go be like say, oh, this one here they run in mad, they run in mad, they run in mad. I don't know what they talk. So I go after we don't talk. We go get video to prove and say na truth. Then we dey talk for this place. Nigeria na jaga jaga. Nigeria na fair states. Nigeria don fail totally. Even the whole world don see and say everything. E dey obvious to the whole world. So may not be like say na we the Biafrans now. Na we dey do am like say Nigeria don spoil. Nigeria never spoil. Nigeria don spoil. Nigeria don be fair state for a very long time. Meanwhile, before thank you very much. I say make I quickly analyze this whole matter, give my Urhobo people, make dem dey aware say e no get anybody wey wan take this Biafra as im own. E no get anybody wey take this Biafra like say na im personal business or na im family business, like the way they take Nigeria. You know, I say make I explain to my Biafran people, my Urhobo people for my language, make dem understand say this Biafra matter, e no get anybody wey wan take am or one particular tribe wey be Biafra pass anybody. Urhobo no be Biafra pass Igbo. Igbo no be Biafra pass Urhobo. Biafra Ijaw no be Biafra pass Igbo. Igbo no be Biafra pass Ijaw. All of us na Biafra, and we get equal rights for this whole for this struggle wey be say all of us dey. But the only thing wey we be say we no go take na for individual of us to come dey divert this our struggle, or to come dey use im own personal interest to come dey try to twist things around for us. Na that one we no go take, because we be the indigenous people of Biafra. And besides, most of these people when they do this thing, they be old people wey be say they suppose to, most of them don near their grave. So we will be the youth, we don stand up to take wetin rightfully belongs to us. Biafra no be say na new nation. Biafra don first dey in existence. If you see many map for the world, map of Biafra dey for the map. So the time when they take deceive us, it don't pass. Our eye, it don't open. So this evening, my people, before we go start, I get one of my brother Olise David, when go join us for this program, when I go see ask a few questions, when be say he go see enlighten us about. I believe say brother Olise, I believe say you go down there around now. But meanwhile, before I go bring brother Olise in, make I tell una say this wonderful jacket when I wear so now the way from Dallas, US. Our brother from Dallas now made this wonderful jacket come for me. The last time I see the one way Fed bring come for me, very beautiful, very nice day for my body. Make una join me, thank am o. The pocket way for bring the money come out, when for they do this wonderful jacket for me. May God they bless am o. The pocket no go run dry. Thank you very much, my wonderful brother. God go bless you. IPOB Dallas. God go bless you wonderfully for us. Thank you very much. So my people, I don't know the reason why some set of people go call the talk say they won't go vote, or some set of people go call the talk say na so the one Nigeria, or one Nigeria will be great again, or make we come together as one. Let's make Nigeria work again. It be like say they know they get this points, they know they get am right. It be like saying most of us they don't get sense of thinking or sense of reasoning again. So now our duty, we will be say we don't dey more enlightened about this our struggle, and we don't dey enlightened about this the amalgamation of the Nigeria and the Yoruba conspiracy, to make sure say that the old Eastern region they marginalize them, to make sure say they go support to their demand, to make sure say they go make them to do under their feet. They go take any decision, make any decision, do on behalf of them. They not care. They not even send whether we get any power to fight against them. Whether we get any power to talk say tomorrow we not want to be part of Nigeria again. Whether we get any power to stand up tomorrow to tell them say no, we this pipeline, this resources when they help Nigeria. So say now we now hand nine for the come. So for this reason, we go keep to the talk wetin we dey talk. We go keep to the send this message, go dey give them, so that they go know the reality, they go know the truth of this matter. Say na help, say na genuine help. Na IPOB all over the world, they try to help every one of us so that we go liberate ourselves. Because we see their life, who there for here, many things when our leader talk, many things when our leader talk, one of the door they come to light. Even waiting happen to this chief of justice, so waiting happen to am so he don't talk am some months ago. They hear me so my people, before that time, make I quickly tell una say e no get any reason, e no get anything when one convince us, when one make us not go dey vote, unless say the person dey very very stupid. Besides, this one not be about only Biafra or Biafra. If you as a Nigerian, say you as a Nigerian citizen, at this point in time, you see they talk about votes. Now you be the most biggest fool on earth. Now you be the most useless person on earth to even the reason about to go vote or to go to say we want take power from one person. Then they make una they understand say the point of this the situation at hand, not be to vote person in or vote person out. Now total split, make we split. You know go fit work, make everybody split, make we go, make individual go on their own. Make they go use whatever they want to they live, make they go until they live. Now be the situation at hand. And they see some of my data people that they shout, Nigeria in debt. Nigeria go better again. Nigeria go do again. For that debt, I want a day for that place. No, not get likes. All of them they run, they go different place. Ghana, if you ask them, say why you go prefer Ghana when be say in a year you they pay 2.something million for house rent, or they pay $500,000 for house rent. You go say you don't understand, my sister. You know say for Nigeria, for Ghana steady lights day. You know say for Ghana good network day. You know say for Ghana security day. If una they talk all those kinds, you know they are shameful now. How many states there for Ghana? Wetin Ghana gets? I remember some time ago when they said that Ghana must go. How many states Ghana gets? So after all these things, when you don't know the facts, you don't know the reality, you don't know that because of common lights, common electricity, now make you come out for your own country. Electricity will be the most commonest thing. Now make you come out for your own country, go another country. Then you come see person now when you come out, or set of people when you come out say, no, we're not supposed to be like this. We're supposed to get constant lights. We're supposed to get running water. We're supposed to get education when you go to function. We're supposed to go get good health center. Una say the person not they make sense. Una say no, the person not wise. It's very, very unfair of us. It's very, very unfair of us. Make we not acknowledge the fact say all these minor things when we say they make us they run come out for our land, they go another place. It's supposed to dey from where we come from. If I tell say we won't even come out from where we come, our land, it's supposed to be another reason. Not because they will not get good health center. Not because they will not get security. Not because they will not get lights. Not because they say army can come and shoot you at any given time. No trace, no investigation, no justice. I see one video recently when one of our brother put for social media recently, when he thought say he bring the video come outside. I said today I go play this video for my people. Make them see this video. Whether after this video, if in another people for another country, when they carry small pikin go for hospital, say make they go treat am. Later on, they call the show say for where people when won't even go greet person for office self, they not even get waiting. People when won't even go greet person for hospital self, they not see light stay enter inside the hospital. They not see light stay enter inside. They not see light stay even enter the hospital when we say they day. Make a show now. Make a show now the video. Make una listen. Whether
this is Warri Central Hospital.
Whether after this one oh.
This is absurd. This is the children.
I don't know whether una go to see them. Make a your show now, my people.
We really have government in this place. What nonsense!
I hope una dey hear.
With a friend to see the daughter, and there's no light in the place. I am reporting this into the government, the federal government to be precisely. Nonsense! What you just take a look. Take a look at the
Now
environment.
darkness
No
or
light.
everywhere black cats.
Patience. Big money. For what nonsense?
Now not go see anything everywhere black cat, but Mona listen to the word.
Let's take a look at the environment. No light. Look at it. Look at it. This is Warri Central Hospital.
Warri Central Hospital.
Central Hospital. This is Warri Central Hospital. What is the medical director doing about this nonsense? What is it? Look at children's hospital. Look at children's clinic.
Children's clinic.
What is happening? What is happening? Madam, please come and talk to me. One of you should come and talk to me. One of you should come and talk to me. Please, for how long has this been happening?
I don't know. I said since last week now come. They ask money, and I shoot them. I begin at 1 month and 4 days. They ask money. Now my leg don't swell up. No light. And I don't see a sleep. My girl will tell me mosquito everything. Money. Social mother that is money. And this money for what? In any job, pass it on there. Go buy. Money. Go back to pharmacies. Go buy. Even any test they may do.
It's all right. This thing will go far. Don't worry. Anyway.
My people, my Biafra people, my Orobo people, this one not be for East, not be for the so-called East. This one na for Warri, where me I come from. When the people they don't separate us from they don't give us another name, say we na South. This one na from the place where me come from, the province where me come from. Now be this one so. When be say they carry people they don't dey for that hospital for over 1 week now, no lights. They don't dey for that place for over 1 week. Even the women that they complain say their leg they don't swallow. The mother picking with dey a week plus for hospital. You know, see, they never see light. Even when they born and come outside, I said maybe na touch, the nurse they put for mat, take deliver this baby, this woman, give birth to this pikin when they even they talk about. So when all of them come outside, even the video say not see anything. Not be only small flashlight, maybe person wey hold phone or person wey hold touch. Not be una they see for there. So people when they with their normal right senses, where their faculty they reason, where their brain they reason, they go sit down to talk, say they won't call the clamor for one Nigeria. Make a quickly correct that my brother when they do this, when record this video. My brother, not disturb yourself. Not disturb yourself, say you want go, this will get to the federal government. You not get federal government. You not get federal government. In fact, you know they exist for that Nigeria. You know they exist. So far as I'm concerned, Orobo not they exist for that place. You not get anything like federal government. For this Europe when I dey so my people, me na refugee. I seek asylum for this place. I get my hospital card. I get allowances when people say that they give me every month. I not be citizen of this place. So if anything they do me, say I dey feel headache. You know what I go do? I go go for my bag. I'll carry my hospital paper. I'll carry my documents. I'll go straight to the hospital. If I don't even feel waka, say I don't feel waka, say the thing don't hook me well. I go carry my phone. I go call ambulance. Before I go drop my phone, ambulance go stand with me. Ambulance go stand with me. Any woman wey born for year, then be say you are entitled to stay. Before you go grown 1 or 2 things, they don't give you documents. Okay, make I not even use Western world. Make I use places where I doesn't stay for Africa. As little, as small, where Ghana be. There was a year, one of my friend, that was 2013. One of my friend go fight with him brother, with him friend, with their Curtis level, what they do. They bust this boy head, they shook and. This boy won't bleed to death. I don't know what did they happen. I dey for house. Now they call me. Say, so person, no. They don't rush am with the hospital. Before I come, they don't treat this boy, they don't put everything, they don't give us, for Ghana now they tell you so, they don't give her everything, they don't ask for police report, they don't ask for deposit, they don't ask for anything. Before I think they don't give this boy oxygen, they don't even change her command for the theater room, give her bed, give her everything. Before they come, they ask us, say, make we come bring money, or they come give us our bill when we go pay for this treatment. We be say Nigeria, honorary star be nice. You rush person go hospital. If you never bring, they don't give the person first aid treatment. Oh, they don't give the person. They don't even attend to the person. Oh, if possible, they go even dump the person for outside. The person family go they cry around the person for there. Sometimes not be saying that money may be the problem of this person. Oh, sometimes they go say na one something like this. Accident victims is supposed to rush enter emergency room. They go, I know people who don't carelessly die for this kind of situation. Since one come this Europe, I never see dead body. I never see dead body for road. I don't know how dead body be apart from phone or anything one for the CM. After all this thing, I still want to be one Nigeria. Honorary Burkina Faso. When they say they be aboki, they be smelly people. They get identity. When they say if they sick, they will go hospital, they go treat them for free. Mali, they go treat them for free. You know, they hear what this woman they talk just now. Say even if we won't buy us medicine way past 600, they'll say we'll go buy for our side. When we say for other place, excuse me. They go write paper, give you, say, take, go to also pharmacy like this, or put their signature, everything, go collect drugs. No, waiting Nigeria not get to take put all these things in order. Now money they not do Nigeria. Now resources now they not get. I been our brain now they not get. I been not get people where go fix up these things. My Urobo people, my Shekiri people, my Soko people, my Okwane people, my Igbo people, my Calabar people, my Biafra in general, una must wake up. Una must wake up. Una must wake up for this deeper sleep one a day. When I see this video, my heart's gonna burn. Wait till it take you. If you don't vote for many years, you don't gain anything. Okay, wait till you won't come up for your body now if you boycott only this election now for us to go to the next level. Make we see. Okay, make we even take individual effort. Make we even challenge ourselves. Say, okay, move boycott this election first. Make we even see what won't happen. They will fry egg, give us shop. I mean, they'll make tea, give us fried with fried chicken, give us shop before we go get sense. I mean, they need to go inject sense for our head before we go get sense. I still get one last video when I go show later. Make I bring Brother Olise come. I go ask Brother Olise some question. Make it join us for this program. My people, I welcome every one of una. I love una for the support una they give. One of our brother they do birthday today. Today na birthday, but I don't forget our brother name. I don't forget Amona not verse for me, bros, not verse for me. If you go fit calling for the program, make you for tell me your name. I don't forget the name. Make I bring Brother Olise in. Brother Olise, I dey add you now. Make we come discuss this evening. Any other person will see contribute to this our program this evening. Make you see contribute the contribution. Yes, Brother Olise. Good evening,
yes, Sister Ife. I salute you, my sister. My sister for the struggle, my sister for the land, my sister for Biafra land, my sister for Europe. My sister, I salute you.
Thank you very much.
Make us salute our brothers that were there from my side there. They say we get 113 listeners right now. And I want to salute all of you. Oh, hey, Biafra. I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. According to your time zone, I salute you. Yeah, now here we were they call Delta people. We not be Delta people, but now so that they call us. For the benefit of those people who don't know us, now make us they call her like that. They go get stage when they go reach, we not go even they mention them. Because now abomination it be, they we not be dog whether they give name. We go talk who we be. So having said that, make I quickly introduce myself, my sister Ife. My name now is Donald. I'm from Ndokwa Nation. Ndokwa Nation, therefore, Anyoma Igbo. Anyoma, and I'm in that place where they call Delta State, Delta not precisely. Now we the runner. Now we be Biafrans. Forget the lies. Forget the lies, even where they come from our brothers' mouth, where they serve Nigeria. Where go say Delta not be Biafra. Look at now, my sister, they represent the Yoruba people. Me myself are there, they represent Ndokwa. Now we they call Delta, but we fail to tell, they fail to understand. Say we be human being. Person not go give us name when of their name. We will begin the answer. We must tell people who we be. All hey Biafra, friends of Biafra, so I welcome. So my sister, before you begin to bring your questions, make I quickly run them like news, the way we run them. Make I quickly break down or make some analysis of what that happened within this last week we don't pass. And we go still begin to see those things, they begin to, by actions and inactions of the zoo government and the things where IBOB directorate then go they do. Because we know say the stand of the indigenous people of Biafra, and I be that place where they call South, have been east of Nigeria. Because sometimes they go call them Southeast, sometimes they go call them South-South, sometimes they go say, most times they call them Southeast. But the truth about it be saying that the eastern and the southern part of Nigeria, now get this movement where they call Biafra. Nothing like Southeast. The Southeast they inside the eastern and the southern part. So as geography, they north, east, west, and south. Now so it be the east and the south now for this Biafra. So anything outside that, even some part of north, some part of middle belt, even Edo, some part of our places there, like Ndokwa communities where they caught people for Edo Day, and Yoma communities where they caught people for Edo Day. So all those ones there for Biafra, in case for those ones we don't know. So last week, some things don't happen. When I remember, say, Nnamdi Kanu tell us we could boycott the election, and we agree, say yes, we must boycott them after all, because all the election where we don't they participate, they no one they reflect the desires of we where be the electorate. So no one they reflect our desires, and as it be like that, we don't talk, say we not vote again. Even the one where go reflect our desires, we go need to fight, burn houses, do all those violent things before they go agree to put the people where we want. Even when they put them, then they come back with their senses again. The moment they enter, anybody, like what Nnamdi Kanu don't talk, say anybody where go serve Nigeria, no go come back within life and integrity. And that truth, if you look, nobody, none of them, anyone will come back within life, he don't lose integrity. The one where go say make it holy integrity, he go lose in life. So now confirmation of the matter now they happen. Within this week, now they can expose them, say, within waiting go happen, make them watch by December, tell them say make them watch what go happen, so they go remove the only person where remain as the southern person for inside the zoo hierarchy of power. Now be the CJ, the Chief Justice, where be they represent for the highest court where they for Nigeria. Now that person, 9 people where they for the south, where they serve Nigeria, the politicians, they get hope, say they still get person for there. But finally, the Fulanis don't remove them the way Nnamdi Kanu predict. So when they see us in Nnamdi Kanu don't be in a prophet, not to say it be like now prophet, now political analyst, now everything. In fact, Biafrans they call them savior, and they are not wrong. So when they see us say it don't happen, it don't set, they don't already remove them. When I remember say before when they begin to pay amnesty to militants, because when I know say militants don't lose the struggle where they pursue. They don't become boy to politicians. When I remember say since we're hungry, they catch people where Buhari they cause trouble. Nobody blow pipeline, no. But now they don't remove CJ pipeline, don't they blow? Make una know say una know people where they work for. So make una just they know. Now, so when hungry they catch these normal citizens, they don't remember so they go blow pipeline, no. But they don't remove the person where they think they get hope. They don't begin to blow pipeline. My people make una they take note. Make una they shine on our eye. Make una no think say all these things just they happen for nothing. Now lie, it they happen for something. Because Buhari don't they explain, say, he removed the man because he dey corrupt. All the people where they corrupt, where they for in government. Oshomule where being chairman, don't talk, say, if they enter APC, their sin don't they forgiven. So APC now don't be forgiver of sin, forgiver of corrupt people. So we they tell them, make them they know how they go. IBOB now don't stand talk say everywhere for Biafra land, whether they call them Warrior, or they call them Niger Delta, or they call them South, say no election. The reason we una they see the reasons and don't they happen. PDP don't say them themselves, say they don't want to do election again, they don't want to do campaign again because they remove the only person where consigned the southern politician for federal government. The only thing where they get hope, say, even if they win Buhari, Jubri, where they represent Buhari, even if they win them, say they go fit carry the matter, go court, the man go give them justice. They don't remove them. So my sister, now the way that happen, now make it be say all of us must open our hearts, they follow Nnamdi Kanu for this movement. Because the movement, like you tell everybody before when you start, the movement not be for Igbo. Not the only Igbo they suffer for inside Nigeria.
Yes.
The way that they suffer now so we were they call data they suffer. The way everybody they suffer for inside in Nigeria. But now people Western talk say, we no want suffer again. Now we go join. And now we be. Now we come out, they do so.
Yes.
So they don't quickly come out and now. And when I know say Operation Python dance, they go on. And as Operation Python dance, they go on, so they go tension everybody. I want let you know, say, even Nnamdi Kanu don't talk and say, all the governors, they work for Jubri, which is Buhari. Why ain't they talking like that? Why you go know some truth be this? Now Buhari Jubri, now then go call result, now then get INEC. Now then get the justice system now. Now then get military. Now then get police. Now then get everything, including who go call result for the INEC. So now, if the state people, if they announce say na Jubri win, remember say they don't change the election timetable, say na Jubri Buhari own, they go first do. So if they announce and say na him win, and your governor no agree sign, when they go announce say na your governor lose, he no go get power to fight. So he must sign say na Jubri win, so that he own where they go do the next coming days, they go allow him to win. All of them know this thing. The only thing where they want not to win. And when they win, now the same thing where we suffer all these years, now we go see suffer again. That is why we talk, say, make we no vote. Because if we no vote, it is clear, say, we no give them power to represent us anywhere. We no give them power to carry our money, do anything. All the people, when then they meet, say, that they represent us, now them they are our representative. They go ask them, say, how on they represent them? We no see them for election ground, no. Not be them they give on our power. Now, be the beauty of democracy. Forget the one where they tell you, say, all these things where they happen for Nigeria and the beauty of democracy. Now, lie. Because some of the politicians, even Obasanjo, the Babu of Ota, he don't come talk, say, all these things where they happen are the beauty of democracy. And now where they don't remove Chief Justice, where then they get hope, all of them don't say, they never talk, say, democracy don't die. So now when democracy don't die, why you now want to participate for election where democracy don't die?
Where democracy not there? Election where they don't ring finish.
So we don't see the whole thing finish, my brothers and sisters. When they see and say everything when Nnamdi Kanu they talk, they come to pass. Like saying the only thing where we they beg our people, our Biafran people, make they support us, make Radio Biafra they sound for all everywhere, make they receiver for every radio where they for Delta State. Every village, now what we they beg our Biafran people, make they support us, make we do, because now the project where we get for hand with that. May they hear them for their ears. Say, not be only Igbo, they do this thing. No. Our children, they for inside, they won't come out us for this suffer. Because the politicians never ready to come out us for that suffer. The only thing where they want to do, now to win election. Now be the only thing where they want. They know say the election self not they count. They know say the election not they count. Now arrange. You lose, they go give you some money, may you take arrange, give you some position. You know, finally lose now because after all, you don't get 1 or 2 money. Now money be everything, everybody. Now be the national cake where they talk about. All of us, we know. All of us, we know. Me, Ndukwa man, we know, say Ndukwa assistant today for Biafra, Ndukwa will be better than a lot of European countries. I know they talk about states so in Europe. European country itself, because of what we get the largest oil gas reserve in West Africa. We get crude oil in many quantity. We get human resources, people where they're intelligent, people where they produce something in different places in the world. We get natural doctors where they heal, where they do things. They know. But now only Biafra free announce them. Yes. Now only Biafra free announce them. So having said this, I won't give my sister time, make it for bring the questions, make the program.
Thank you very much, my brother. Wonderful contribution. I like the fact where you give us this evening because you know say one person know they know finish and this our struggle. So now this one bringing on, this one bringing on, put that together. Now you go they push us go front. So my brother, for the first question, when I want to ask you now, for the first question when I want make you explain to us because I don't first explain that on my own. Now before that video when we say the video for that hospital, so for that worry, so because they say recently when the Jubrin go for Asaba when go give Ogboru presidential candidate because we not for so far as I'm concerned, Nigeria not get president again. Buhari don't die since 2017. Now Jubrin now they in charge, so you know it don't obvious to everybody now say if you not even be as wicked as Buhari be, the late Buhari, as stupid as late Buhari would be, as evil when he could be, we know say you not go see mess up to this extent. So we say you not go even know himself say he not be the president of a nation, I mean be the president of Nigeria. When he say go present he give up Boru 3 title, he give him presidential candidate, he give him senatorial candidate, he can't give him gubernatorial candidate. So for this matter now, on this video now, when I see Green come out this evening, when every one of us listen to now, what it could be the advice now we won't give our people for that place now, our people particularly for that place. I know say this whole thing there for the whole zoo, if they happen to even the Calabar, the George, everybody, but particularly this video will come out for this our place. So what will be the advice now? We won't give our people for them to see more reason to not to participate for this upcoming election or this 2016.
Thank you very much, my sister. You know this platform na expose what they do. They expose waiting to they do us to the whole world. May the world see and hear what they do us. If not, our people don't now them they experience and pass. Our people where they home, now them they experience and pass. You see the woman where they cry for that video. Now hear them, how she did they cry because it's pain and rich heart. That video no concern her, but she still and person they make video. Now she run put. As the guy just called say, Mona can't talk to me. She see the woman they cry. Now so our people they cry. I did home recently now. I work out those places. I see what they happen. You they see no light for hospital. So if if emergency come there now, okay. Look, if emergency come there now, the truth about it is say, sorry about that. The truth about it, some people they try to call me when they see Saturday on this thing. They don't try a distraction. The truth about it, they say our people they suffer. That video now one of the things where we show you anybody who from Delta or from that place where they call Delta, any Yoruba person, a Joy, Shekiri, Ntokwa, Eka, where say he won't go vote, say or in the fine reason where we go give and not to vote, say this boycott when at the top, waiting go make me no go self. In don't see many reasons, many things there for you not to go. If you go, your life is not even for you to leave your house, go police station, your life no stay. Operation Python does there around. Politicians go must recruit thugs. Now most gonna wait till they do. You know. So your life no even does. Don't dare stake. If you no do them, if you no vote, you don't remove those people for power. They will come ask you when no go vote. Say why you no go vote. Now that time you will come tell them say no light for me to take see road. No light for my children to go school. They invent something because when light they. Your children feel use electricity, they touch one or two things, they do all this, they invent something. They feel learn better things, they feel the internet, they feel do anything cheap. But light no day, nothing we feel do without light. For Ndokwa, we get what they call IPP power plant, independent power plant. Although the Nigerian government build them with our own money, with our own resources. Now, still the resources where our land, the gas where our land, now they take the power around. This IPP, they give 24 hours light, but where them carry and go now, Ogwawusa, where them carry and go now, government house for Ogwawusa, my brothers and sisters. The only place where they step and dance to cause confusion between we and our people, where they for East, na Nnewi. Why did they step it down in Nnewi? They step and down for Nnewi because industries in Nnewi, now there they do motor. If you don't know, they do motor now for Nigeria, made in Nigeria motor, they do one for Nnewi. Our brothers for Igbo, they do one. Now there they do one, so that they go to pay bill to the federal government, to Hausa Fulani, they put for them. So that if we complain, because they don't give us for data, the data. Even they don't know where them put them light, no they there. But they give only where they keep an wheel before they conquer and go north. So you see the confusion where they said. But for Nnewi, they collect money, they collect them as NEPA bill. But if we talk if we agitate, they go talk, say, we step and down for our brothers for Nnewi now. When I don't fight them, they see the confusion. Hospital, no light. No road to even go to the hospital. If motor carry person. No, my sister, you were talking about, they talk about ambulance. If person no die for Nigeria, the entire ambulance. Ambulance. Even the ambulance. I get cats for you. If he's sick, I go call ambulance for him. Ambulance will call carry him. If he's sick, say, and they go work or anything, I'll call ambulance. If me say I dey sick, say I no fit waka like you dey, I go call ambulance, they will carry me. But for Nigeria, if you even enter ambulance, now they say you don't die because of the way they say ambulance no dey for anybody's service. Who even enter ambulance after you don't die must pay money. Whether in a government hospital ambulance or I've been a private ambulance, so you must pay money. Physical cash, hand to hand. So before you go even rush the person from your own house, carry on for motor, hold up because of bad road, go kill am first.
I'm telling you.
Then you can't carry and reach the hospital. Doctors no dey on ground because now for Nigerian doctors they go 20 months strike because they don't care about life. They go allow doctors go strike.
So my brother, that one I want question. So I want to quickly add this one before we go to the second question. Some of our people, recently they talk to these people, some of our brothers for wake up for the so-called deaths and when they don't give the name when they don't give us. They talk, una say na PDP, they say na this one, they not click on debate, they not click on debate. I say you they talk, say they not click on debate, they not click on debate. Even if they come the debate, you go see lights, they watch the debates. Lights go there, you go even see the president when walk on debate. So you go see lights, they watch them. Since when is there for that Nigeria? So since when are there for Nigeria when I call this play, my brother, I don't know what they call presidential debate. I don't know whether president they stand the debate. You can never see lights, they watch presidential debate for Nigeria before.
Yes, my sister.
Well, how many people they watch Nigeria presidential debate apart from una when sit there for the power, where get access to go, they use solar, where get access to mat lister for na ass, or where get access to run 24 hours generator. How many people go see like they watch that presidential debate? None. If you go ask person like my mother or go ask anybody, they don't know what to be debates. They don't know what to be debate. They only know say na Buhari o, na Atiku o, they don't know what to be debate. They don't know what they call it. They carry people, they join, they put for one place, they just say, okay, they go ask this one question, you go talk. They go ask this one question, you go talk. You not there. No, they don't bring Jubril now from Sudan now. Make all the ruler, make all the rule the Nigeria people. They put the man for front, like saying that the man they bring the rules and regulation when we say if they happen for that place. Meanwhile, the get people when hide under when we say they don't already put they don't already follow the constitution or the law of their brother when they automatic that follow way right from and say make they follow and say they go make the East as a slave people, the Middle Belt as conquer people, the Yoruba people as the most foolish human being on earth. Say they don't put them like that. There are people when see they under that oath, whether na oath I want to tell them, I always say abide to that rule, and they will still carry out to the very end. If care is not taken, if you don't wake up, according to what our leader they talk every day. Say if care is not taken, say we not wake up at this time. Everything, all the law where they don't put for that their paper, all the things, everything. Even some video I said yesterday where be say, I don't know the picture when one of our brothers. That is why I love my Biafran people. I love them. They're too intelligent. All these times I don't know about all those things. When be say anybody where they employ, you get one bag where they carry the bag for shoulder. When they put 4 people like that, 4 different people picture where they put that bag for their shoulder. I never seen that bag for anybody hand for that place. Say that they snap them, come put they say the same symbol or as Igbo man or as Yoruba man. Say anytime when they want swear in or anytime when they want put her in, say you go must carry that bag or you go must get one symbol when we get. You know there. Now let every time we go there, yeah, Miati Allah does this, Miati Allah does that. Who be Miati Allah? Who be Miati Allah? I be as a Nigeria day like this now when we say Nigeria now different states, different this so not be setting, not be sit there for America. So as it come be for America now, they want to say if one particular set of people when they give law, when they pass law, or when they benefit waiting they do for America. Not be equal right that they treat everybody. Make una wake up, oh. Make una wake up from this una sleep. Make una wake up from this una wise, stupid wiseness. One of the feel una wise, one are dumb as dumbest. Make una wake up. Make us go straight to the other question, my brother. Okay. So my people, this brother Olise, if they really give the points when I really know, you know say brother Olise, nah, I'm not saying don't stay for all those area where I'm not to stay for all those sides. So brother Olise, you get one video when I see when be army. You get one video when I see. I go play the video, make our people see. I not say most people go don't see, but I go come to the fact to come know say anything when I they talk when be saying on social media now for seeing. So not be saying our leader talk. So not be say now IPOB people go bring the video come. So not be say now individual the zoo government, the zoo country, their citizens, and they bring this video come outside. And most of this video when would they see? Not be Fulani people, not be the Hausa people, not be the Yoruba people. Most times now our brother. So this video when I see, so make a play and before you go come contribute to the video. Make a play and my people make una see and what the army they do, what they don't do because they don't fix different ways. When they'll say they kill us. They don't kill us say we they do rally. They don't kill us say we they do peace rally. They don't kill us say we be Yahoo. They don't kill us say we be armed robber. They don't kill us say we be courtesan. They don't kill us in different ways. This one and the people when see go serve the so-called one Nigeria, and they kill them, and as they hide the numbers of people when they kill every day. Make una listen, people. Now they hear them.
Yeah. Raise them up small. Yes, leave it like that. Raise the volume.
But Ali say clear?
Yes, shift your hand this side small. Yes, better. Yeah, I don't see that video, and I believe so many of them, many of us, don't see the video. The sound, no, they come out, but I don't see the video. I don't see the video, my brother. They complain bitterly. Thank you, Sister.
So my brother Olise, so far as I don't see this video, and I believe say most of us don't see this video, and I don't watch the video over and over again. So what do you see for this video? What do you put for your own analysis? I will still add my own,
my
sister,
brother. Thank you very much. You see, the thing they for public domain now. You know they hidden anymore. Say most of the people whether they carry they go face the daredevil where they create Boko Haram, our people. Our brother Mazen and they cannot even expose this thing right from time before they even come to kill him for a house. Say, come, our people where they for the security apparatus of the zoo called Nigeria. Say the security agencies say that they target our people for genocide, though. That they carry them, they go, they fight Boko Haram, they bring their own people to our side. This is pure truth, fact, because if you look at the commissioners and the army and every all of them, the army commanders, where they say they're for our side. Now from the other side, why our people, they fight the war without weapon? That our brother said what you showed just now, in the wrong, can get locked to run, come out in life. The video is on the internet. He get locked. Some will not get locked there now. The one where they do before Christmas period, the Boko Haram they take over the military camp. You know, see the army man where they capture put for healers. Till today, anybody talk about them?
Nobody. News not
that army man when you see his face, so he resemble Hausa man.
No.
But nobody talk about them now. This girl where they kidnap among the RNG kidnapping, where they carry our women from school because they know what make school day for not. After Chibok, the next one where they do, you get one girl where they say they no agree release them because of say no agree confess. Till today anybody talk about them?
Nobody.
So waiting they happen. This thing not be news again. No. Waiting they go tell us now, they go say, hey, our children don't enter army. They go give them 2 months holiday, make them come flex with their parents with uniform, snap picture, finish. The moment they go back again, you don't finish. The next set now come, hey, Mona come join army again. Oh. We need another battalion. We need another Rigdemite. We need another 62 battalion, 42 intake, 92 intake. All the intake. They never feel, Boko Haram they push them, they come our side. Though. I be where then they when Fulani men they keep people all over Warri, all over Abraka, all over Dabogwe, all over Susa, all over. Where then they? These people where you now won't go vote for, they don't care about una. They just want make una stand for line, make them video now, so that if international community ask them say, on which authority are you talking? They go bring out that one. Say, look at our people. They were voting for us. They were voting for us. They are all stupid. If you sit down for your house, only one day they go to the election. If you sit down for your house, make them even cancel and then they put up for another day. That particular February own, make them cancel and put up for another day if it's too much. But sit down for inside your house. Make them know say, may you even know say you get power. Now what will they tell them? Now what will they tell our people? You just say you don't get power because they carry the command army and police work with AK-47. Even road safety they hold AK-47. But road safety don't carry ambulance, they carry people where gas accident go hospital. Now to how they go take AK-47, they stop motor where they come from Lagos to Biafra land. Because if road safety, what did they call it? Immigration, everything go there for that Benin road before you cross Benin. May you know say they enter Biafra land, they enter another country. Yet Benin people never know some problem. But we are coming to that.
Yes.
So
thank you very much, my brother. Thank you very much, brother Olise. So my own point of view for this this very video, so Because anything when I see my brother, because you know say some of una now, not they very, very enlightening, not they very, very obvious to not they want to know about all these things. But if I see all these things now, and I see the experiences and I say people when sit there for the age, for my age level, or people when I see they more older than.
Yeah. If you finish, make a quickly contribute to something where you asked me before.
Okay. People when I see them more older than. It means say this very thing now, it don't happen for time, for ages, because even people die for army that time now, you only see their parents, they cry. Oh. They say they don't kill my pikin.
Most of our people will fight along with the Nigerian army. Most of our people, let me quickly say this. Yes. Most of our people will fight along with Nigerian army during the war. Yes. We are all discharged without benefits. There are a lot of them. There are a lot of them. Even till now, some of them now, they run come back secretly. The ones that went not run come back, they have gone. They're not a brain list of people who are dying now. Only then they complain. Even PDP don't reissue them as a statement. What did they call them? These people where they say they go talk from the both side of their mouth. What they call them? Or Igbo. They don't sit talk and say, hey, only our people, now they send, they go the war front to why do not do about time? Is it about talking? That is why IBOB not talking to do. When we talk, we make action. The action what would they make? They say, we no go vote, make them know so now we get the power. Look at Jubril. Would they tell us since say Buhari don't die, you say na another person do. Say if in a lie, make him do DNA, make we see you. Make him open a cap, make we see you. A lot of questions they will ask, no one talk. Make him come do live interaction session, you know, grill. Make him go debate, you know, grill. Then he come worry. I want to talk about that matter. He come worry. When I remember, South Borona was still our Pekino, even though saying they struggle to staff the zoo since. Why Ogboro never feel win the election? Do not never vote Ogboro before? We could have asked ourselves that question. If yes, so I don't vote them before, you know win, or they know the alarm they win, which is the truth. Waiting can happen. Why when I feel say they go feel alarm now? Because now in party APC they for federal, which means you self agree say that they rig election. If you answer say yes, then what did they move yourself they go do for the pool? I like them rig and put now. See that for your husband they rig and put now.
Since now they get power to put, now they get power to bring out. What is the essence of you going to polling booth to go vote? No essence.
The Fulani man will create Delta State, IBB. We tell you saying they support, not be Buhari.
Yes.
Now he make it be say, all borrow the tell and say, hey, they don't forgive me, and I made them give me flag of presidency, give me flag of Senate, give me flag of this thing. If they come online, they won't come defend Jubril. They go come to say, now mistake, person not they make mistake. You make mistake, they correct you. Say not before presidency. You say no, you won't give her for Senate. They correct you, say not before Senate. You carry gubernatorial give her. You say in fact make it carry all of them.
God, okay. No, these people not okay person. No.
Listen, make I tell you where the problem do, because to avoid problem, now better pass say you don't enter problem, you can't solve them more. Now so our older people they talk for adage. Say another kete kebonoka, they say kucha kobukele, mundo kwani negosu kucha kobukele. To avoid problem, now better pass to sit down for inside problem they solve them. Una say una won't go vote, so una don't know now. Say yes, federal get power to put Ogboro, even give them presidency. Nobody go fit talk. So una don't know. Now PDP they nine get power, nine na them be like say na them they rule that place. So remember, say nobody be PDP, nobody be APC, anybody can change at any time. If they even swear Okowa in next time, if he declares him be APC, nobody go figure out. If he even declare before election day, nobody go hold on, because now APC and PDP now the same thing. Anybody can just cross any day, anytime. It don't mean anything, you know. Forget the boys, the way they move themselves, they saw themselves for online, for social media. They see they go fight for house, then be fool. Because APC and PDP now the same thing. Anybody can just cross on it any day at any time. So since I don't know, say Ogboro get federal power to rig himself. Why you feel say PDP no go fight? If they no go feel. If they don't know they open for them to defect or to move the way that they move like a cockroach before, If the door no dey open, why you feel say they no go fight? But when they talk, say when two elephants they fight, who they suffer?
Not
Not
the
be the
grass.
ground. So the grass now, where they want carry go election ground, making go vote. Not be fool him be to go vote. Not be to sit down for your house, leave the elephant, make them find where they won't fight. If the elephant then decides they won't fight, you go leave them, make them find where they won't fight. And if you leave them, then you go know say you get power. Because they will come ask you, say, why you, what happen now? Why you not come out? Now, vote don't the cost to now 10,000 they pay now for data for the place where they call that for our place.
It don't increase.
It don't increase because of what we they do. Because we educate our people. Vote don't increase now. Vote na 10K.
Yeah.
But to keep us in a 5K. Assassination na 5K. To take human life. People they confess, they go keep us 5,000, mind that they pay them. But now, if you get PVC, you are guarantee of 10,000 now. That is what they are singing to our people.
Can you imagine?
Now, because of say we the talk on the truth, say man, no go. If you sit there for house, you go no say you get power. Even the money go increase. And that time you call no say so now my money before. So that is why we tell our people. So Ogboro, they don't come give them presidential flag, give them senatorial flag, give them governorship flag. The pastor don't settle. Now we know your word. Now fly when no your word. Now you follow that body enter grave, they cover them. Because we don't tell on us, sit down for your house, sit at home on that day. Go buy radio station, tune to Radio Biafra, they listen to what they talk, because now there your redeemer they come from. Now they teach the lesson of life. So my sister, may you bring them come, may we discuss the matter. I do want to respond to one boy where they make comment for year. I think say maybe even our brother from, but before we go respond to him, making come back again, I first reply and for message say we go respond to him. Because in they talk about say them believe say yes, say PDP and APC now the same people, say make them vote for another party. The question be say how your vote won't take count. If you don't fit tell us say yes, say Buhari's sister go announce who you want, or go announce the result when in like how you want to where you want to carry the matter go for justice where they don't change. So if you don't know for your mind, if you don't answer that question for your mind, make him come back for comment session, come tell us, say make we know, say PDP. See, we thank God say you don't even come up PDP and APC for your mind. Now with the letter they know say if you tell us how you go to win Buhari, we don't put in sister for person we go announce result, put in brothers for army and police, then go carry everywhere, now you hold everywhere now for the institution and even the electoral institution, now you hold them. Tell us, if you don't tell us how you go to win them, then come back to this comment section, we go respond to you. This comment go dey flow even after the program. We go continue to respond to all of you. Any of you will come under the, if you come data, come under the comment section, come brag, come talk with you know, we will go respond to you. That is the fact. So bring it
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you very much, my blood. God bless you. God bless you. Many people don't they call for you say, make I bring them in, make I let another person see and their view. I never see anybody wait request for you. I never see any request for you. Make una request, make I see so that I go bring una in.
Before I go come out, I go like to speak my language. I go like to speak my language to talk to my people.
Voila. But before you go, make you speak your language, give us, make you see to address this whole issue.
That's so it be. You know, say, say for our place, they talk say 2 places now in the born person. Now where your mama from and your papa from place now you from, you know, but majorly you are from your father's place. But Ndokwa is one. Ndokwa Bufu, whether you are from Ndokwa East, you are from Ndokwa West, you are from Okwane local government, all those divisions go stop when Biafra come. Every community go answer in name. Every community go, the word go hear their name go there for Google Map, their name go come out for the word. Tourists go come. We get, you see this river, what they call River Ethiop. Now the source of River Ethiop from my place, from Mwaja there. You see, a lot of things will go attract the world to our place. You see that River Ethiop where the Mwaja. Now, be the river where leads to Sapuleo, When it be say if they clear and well, they go to do water transport, the road go minimize, people go to pass there, tourists go to come, they view things, they see the world through that view, but they not go do all those things for us. Only we go do them for ourselves. So Osando Kwanoni Osajaje Ndio Motofe, Kolobio Yenefe Kenao, Memono Lisa Donat, my when you can in the Urobo. Osanye Chad nebeli neku elefe no na-eme obodo kenu ndocha kenibo Nigeria china afetianye neku eshe na ekushide lo ka de anyị kejipusa na egbu kene nifeke dibe egbu o na afufu lo de deshe anyị enwe ụzọ anyị enwe ezukwa anyị enwe ọkụ onwe ife anyị nweni onwe ife dị anyị na-egbugbuchi gide kene ya ka anyị keji deme na ụmụ anyị bịa kone onwe ife anyị demefunio ọsọ ife na anachi azụ aka ikwa anyị dị n'afọ kedu ka njọ bụ si ndị Fulani dị ga were obodo ndị ọcha kedoni chacha sancha nọdị basancha nọdị igbu asancha nọdị benao obodo wadị kedoni cha ike anyị sancha nọdị wadị bịa n'ishiwa ka were n'onwe wee were ifu ọ bụ ka shiwa iwu ka were n'onwe shiwa na-akwadem wee were ifu efe tọzụ bụkwa were anị anyị wa bịagọrịshi cattle colony wa bịagọrịshi Fulani herdsmen must get somewhere to stay wee werigoro anụmanụ wee bịa na eri asa akwa anyị na egwu ndị nke ndị n'ime ogo na-achụ asa mmadụ na afụga so ndị na-ebịa shiwa ka mee election abịagọrị election nụ bụ ya bụ ife election ịsọ bụ ife na-enyewe okike anyị ndị je na election wee nwewe okike bụ anyị narịwa okike anyị ewere okike deme na onwe anyị anọdụ anị were ile enyi kwuo eze enyi ọnụ kwụchi bịa nwa kene n'ife anyị chọ na ya ewese kweọchi ngwa wese ka anyị ye yi ka anyị nwere elunu ka anyị chọ ka ọ dị anyị achọchi na ka ọ bụrụ chi ofu mara ka nọdụ na Abuja ka ọ bụ nọdụ na Asaba na-ekufu na enye ọnụ bụ anyị ndị ụnụ ndụkwa na-afụ aka anyị ndị ụnụ obodo anyị na-afụ aka wa na-abịa na-egbu enyi bụ onwe anyị na-anụfụ n'anya ọgụ so now anyị turufu na onwe anyị na-ekwuchi anyị emewe election no election in ndụkwa land anyị emewe election ọ bụ chiwa ka eme election wee bịa bụ enyi referendum ya bụ ife ndị oyibo kpọrọ referendum bụ chi anyị ka atụnye ka bie kachi anyị na-esogbu ndị n'ibi ka anyị esoko wee bi ndị anyị kesa obi deela anyị ka emebiji ụwa anyị nọdụ anyị kwuo ya bụ referendum ya ife anyị na-ekwu ọ bụ agha kene nwa na-ekwuchi ndị Biafra na-achọ agha mgburuka agha kewa meni ka oge eri ọsọ abịala chụ na ndị ndụkwa anyị agbafu na Lagos gbafu na Abuja gbafu na Sandere ya bụ ndị rụrụ nọ n'isi uwe ka anyị na-ekwu okwu ọdụm ndị rụrụ na wa bido shiri wa na-egbu ndị Igbo na nọtụ waka ajụ echi ka ọ bụ Igbo Chinedu ka ọ bụ Igbo Emeke Igbo onye ụkwanị waka ajụ ikenu so ife anyị na-ekwu bụchi ka anyị nọdụrụ ka enyi ọnọdụ ka enyi ke na anyị kwu na igbochi ọsọ ife anyị nweni ọsọ company nọ na-ejere negotiate with Nigeria before ababe negotiate enyi with enyi wa na bịa straight to us be negotiate first with us before ababe negotiate with any other person then by that time wa ma afufu na arụ ikwuchi ndị wa na negotiate kedekwa je na apụsa because Nigeria is destined to take us backward ya shi na ife ọsọ negotiation barụ so kumpụsa kụ ndị ọzọ bịa ekwu kewe ne ọgbọ kene ọgbọ Biafra bụ ke ndụkwa ịsọ bụ ọ bụ ka Igbo ịsọ bụ ọ bụ ka Isoko ịsọ ọsọ anyị chadị n'ime ya bụ ọsọ aja jeni anyị ihe na-efe ka ndị ọzọ bịa chibe ekwu ke ọsọ ndụkwa n'onye ọsọ aja jeo ya bụ ishe gwara ebe nu Urobo wado.
Thank you very much.
Isoko wado.
Thank you very much. God bless you. You must continue.
Thank you.
All hail Biafra. One love, my one love. Yes. Okay. Thank you very much, Brother Alise, for that wonderful contribution. You know, say some of our people, they're going to say, Mona leave Biafra matter. My brother, I dey find you for here. Make I invite you. You know, they write me since. Make I find you. Make I bring you in. Make una no vessel. Make una give me some more time. Oh. One of my Robo brother that they write me for here since say, make I bring him in. Make him come speak. Robo bro, I not see you for here. Oh. I not see that our brother for here. Make I bring this our brother. My brother.
Oh yeah, Biafra.
Brother, I not see you. I not see your invitation for here. No verse. I go still find them again. Thank you very much, Brother Alise. I love you so much. Yes. Thank you, brother. Welcome.
With my sister, I'm so much happy.
Thank you.
I'm so much. I've been watching your program for a very long time, and I'm so much delighted that we have a girl like you in Biafra land. I'm so much amazed. Make I not speak too much grammar because Oyibo people don't deceive us well with this big grammar. Me, I don't stay for Delta State. I don't live for Patani. Close to 15 years. And these are our people where they come, they say, they know be Biafra. We be Biafra. My name is Balem. I'm from Anambra State. Now Patani, they grow up for Delta State for Patani. Now they grow. They do farm work there. Before now, I dey Togo. Now Togo from the call you so.
Oh, my brother, nice.
Yeah. They do farm work before. For I've been there Patani. They do farm work with my parents. They still there Patani now. Now, every time these Fulani people then go carry their cow, come for where would they plant okra, pepper, cassava. But we with Isoko people, they live for the same place. Those are our sisters and brothers, way from Delta, way from Isoko. All of us, they live together. And all of us, they do the same work. Then these Fulani people go come. Then go carry their cassava, then go carry their cow, come destroy the whole crops. When you want to challenge them, they go say, hey, leave them on their brother, 9 days for sit. Could you imagine the nonsense? Our own sweat go waste, their own go day. I'm so much happy for our brother we talk last. It's giving me joy that a lot of people are waking up. We don't they wake up. We don't they wake up from this slumber. And they talk so that the youth go they wake up all the time. See Togo here all day. Since I come Togo, light never off. They say no light. They enjoy light. They enjoy water. Small Togo. Everybody they happy. They see light. See light.
Yes.
But for the zoo, for Nigeria, no light. See,
everywhere black
network here, network. We enjoy network. Network, they good road. Everywhere is okay. Police no they worry. Even we will not be citizens. Police no they worry us. We can move at any time, move around, come back at any time. No disturbance. But when you did the zoo, so police go they chase you up and down. They run from here, they run from here every day. And some of our people stupidly want to go vote. Then go give you 10,000, 5,000. You go vote. You go say your rights. Some of my friends, they ask them, when you vote, last 3 years, then give you 10,000. So now that 10,000, I feed you till 2019. You won't go vote again. You won't go renew your license of slavery. When they imagine whether this our brother, their brain they work at all. Okay, see what they happen. Everything now goes to the north. Nothing will come to the east. CJ now they don't remove CJ. We are agitating. Person go still they tell you say you won't go vote, you won't go vote. See they make proud say you won't go vote. What did they do? You won't go vote your slavery. If you vote finish, you go come back. Hungry go they kill you. Then go still there, they enjoy their money. You go kill yourself. When I be there River State, now the same vote will make you kill yourself finish. River State empty, form up. Then kill yourself, destroy because of say they won't go vote. They won't go vote for politician. When they kill themselves finish, the rich man where they go vote for go still there, they enjoy their money. When the election reach again, they go come call you, say, oh yeah, come, or come kill yourself. You go move to go kill yourself. I just imagine our youth, whether these days, their brain no they function well at all. I've been at poverty, the kind of poverty mentality don't block everywhere for their brain, will make them know the reason. Every time person go sell himself, they carry himself, they go put for more. Checking out for here, so many boys don't come out from Nigeria. from Biafra land, so many of us don't come out from Biafra land. They outside, they find what to go do. Because here, if you do the same market, any small way they do, you go they manage them. But when you do zoo, anyone when you sell out, police go still carry them from you. You make small money, you take and go sell to police things. You go there your house, police go come carry you, then go say, okay, settle. When I did River State, when the riot starts, that was last 2 years when they start to keep people up and down. On your own, you go there like this, police go come carry you. When they reach for road, for inside bus, they go tell you, so you pay yourself. Any amount you hold, you go take pay yourself. 1,000, 2,000, you go pay yourself. Tomorrow, they go come carry you again. You pay yourself. That one na place where person supposed to live. Na zoo, that place na zoo.
Na zoo, Nigeria, jaga. Everything does scatter. Na right from the one where they create Nigeria. Not the time when Nigeria felt great. It's only for the time say, want to make Nigeria great again. There were never a time when Nigeria take great. Not be now they won't make them great. You understand? So anybody when they talk say Nigeria they're a great state before they come. You get any time when we say Nigeria any Uroboma don't be president for Nigeria. Uroboma don't be president for Nigeria. Isokoma don't be president for Nigeria. For inside of all those north, so when they talk say we are minority, for inside states when they create, for inside place when they for the country when they say one Nigeria, when even the so-called Hausa people, they're not the so-called Fulani, they're not agree that for one Nigeria. Only way that they fight for their Islamic states. Now that they fight for, now they miss that they fight, that they kill themselves. They know they kill themselves, they know they die for one Nigeria. Una way they fight to die for one Nigeria, where they proud Nigeria, Nigeria will be great again, my fatherland, my motherland. Una never smell this seat for that place. And if you say go even let Fulani man bring your brother come be governor of Delta State. If they for do it, they don't do to the extent that say now that they choose governor for you. Aboruna don't come on and they go JPC. So that make you forget the the senatorial seat, may forget the presidential seat, may forget the gubernatorial seat. How long will I want to live like morons? How long will I want to live like people when their brain know the function? Thank you very much, my brother.
My dear sister.
Make many people there, yeah. Make we do a small, so that every one of us go quick end their views, give their contribution. God will bless you so much. God will bless you so much. Thank you. Yes.
I love you so much.
So my people, God bless our brother. My brother, I love you so much. God will bless you. So my people, the so-called people wake up for the function at all. When they talk to our people now get power. See France for years, they shake everywhere. Power belongs to the people. Una do that place, una listen to the drive BB car, to the carry BB phone, and then make una get sense. The whole world they look una like foolish people. I'm telling una the truth. If you fit enter computer, you fraud person, give you money or you do one thing. You know me say na your wiseness, na make am. Why many of una go they do Yahoo Plus today, na go they do juju today? Because Oyibo people they don't wise. Una they catch Oyibo because say Oyibo people they trust. Oyibo people they get sympathy. Oyibo people they sabi rely on people because they know they live fake life the way they lie up and down. To come reach our age with a lie up and down. Now they make us be wise people. Now that's what they make us be wise people. I know say some of them they talk say that because of what you both do us. Now make we do that like this, but as far as you both don't do us, this one say we don't wise. Now we know if we can take our rights on our own. We know if we can take them for our hands. I believe if we come out today, we stand today say now say no. Today say we want to liberate ourselves as Africans or we want to liberate ourselves as Biafra. You feel so you both come say their army coming, they come kill us all of us. Rather than go set fight between us and our brothers, make we kill ourselves. You are fit. If Oyibo people go somewhere, they go protest for something or they go fight for something. If you kill one Oyibo, the rest Oyibo go say make you kill all of them. If you want adopt that, you say you dey go. You go even dey quarrel with you, say why you go? Why you go that place? Excuse me. You don't know say if you go that place, they go kill you. You go say, but I go make I go fight for our right. Why you go at all? Why you go at all? You see how dormant with the. You see how disgraceful our character be. My people, una wey be youth, especially una wey be the youth when they say una dey force na so una wise. Make una wake up all those things una dey do, so don't be wiseness. Una dey use una hand to dey destroy una self. Because of wetin the government don cost una no get the value of una life again. Some of una dey sacrifice una life say, I want you live for only 3 years. Why? Why when be say a man of 110 years for year, if they see they tie canvas, they go for gym house. A man of 19 years for year, they wear canvas, they play ball, they go gym house, they do everything. He said he just start life so. He just start to enjoy life so. Now you go say because of say one thing, you go send your life 3 years, 4 years, because you want buy one big car, because you want do one thing, you forget the fundamental problem of the place where you come from. Because you say the quick hammer when you want hammer, now you want solve the situation. Then you put your life at it. Una must wake up. Una must wake up. See una for a shadow, catch una, send una go life imprisonment, send una go hanging, send una go everything. It is very, very painful to see say some of us when even they claim say we don't even there for the Western world, and our own case not even worse past the ones when even there for Biafra land. Okay, I don't see that my brother. Make her bring her in. Say no answer. Can I try again? Now you did that place. Now you did that place. Now you they let all these people they fool una. Let all these people they use una head. They use una head. They use una head. They use una head. They let these people they use una head. They use una head. Aboki, that they use una head. They use una head now because when I say they carry phone, they carry each other put for nyash. They do one thing. If it's life don't finish. If you get opportunity to hammer, or you get the brain to go do one thing, you hammer, you know whether your pikin go get that brain. Or as you there abroad, so you come to Nigeria before you come, they don't build mosque for your papa outside. You go there happy. Make una wise, make una wise, all the so-called data people, make una wise, Good evening, my brother. Good evening, my brother. Welcome to this program. Our brother network not today good. That our brother network not today good. I don't know why.